The Olympians competing in ancient Greece did not build their legendary physiques using modern protein powders or refined carbohydrates. They relied on a specific ancient muscle bread that sustained extreme athletic output well into their later decades. Modern sports science and clinical researchers have finally decoded the exact macronutrient matrix of this ancient staple. The secret is not just what they ate, but how the specific combination of these four forgotten ingredients alters the hormonal environment of aging muscle. This is not a myth, but pure biological leverage that is sitting in your grocery store right now. Before we begin, tell us in the comments what cheap, everyday food you remember from your childhood that seemed to keep everyone strong and lean without trying. We are reading and replying to every single comment with personalized tips for your situation. Now let us go back in time to fix your muscles, starting with number 4. Number 4. The anabolic crust, emmer wheat. The bread eaten by ancient Greek Olympians was not made from modern refined wheat. It was made from emmer, which is an ancient hulled grain known today as farro. This was the primary grain of the Greek athletic diet documented by Pausanias and Galen. Emmer wheat contains a staggering protein content of 15 to 17 grams per 100 grams of dry grain. That is significantly more than the amount found in modern white flour. At just 9 cents per serving in bulk dry form, it is incredibly cheap. It is the cheapest high-protein grain available in North American markets today. But here is the shocking part. Emmer wheat's higher protein content relative to modern wheat is only part of its massive advantage. Its intact bran and germ layers preserve a dense matrix of magnesium, zinc, and B vitamins. These exact nutrients are stripped entirely from white flour during modern processing methods. Magnesium alone is required for over 300 enzymatic reactions in your body. These reactions include ATP synthesis and muscle protein translation. Zinc is the rate-limiting cofactor for testosterone production in aging men. Now here is where it gets interesting. Emmer's high-resistant starch content produces a postprandial glucose curve with a glycemic index of approximately 40. That compares to 70 to 85 for modern white bread. This sustains a moderate insulin environment in your aging body. It keeps amino acids flooding into muscle tissue for 3 to 4 hours after a single serving. Researchers at the University of Florence Department of Agricultural, Food, and Environmental Sciences studied this exact mechanism. They confirmed that farro-based diets produce significantly lower postprandial insulin spikes in adults over 55. They also observed much higher satiety scores compared to modern wheat equivalents. The intact grain matrix was identified as the primary driver of both profound physiological effects. Most people do not know this, but farro is genuinely novel to most senior viewers. This is true despite it being sold in every major grocery store right now. The fact that the Olympians ate this instead of modern wheat is incredibly powerful. It requires nothing beyond swapping one grain for another in any existing bread recipe. That makes it the lowest effort entry point on this entire list. Start by throwing out your white flour and baking with emmer. Number 3. The tendon cement, black sesame seeds. Black sesame seeds were a standard ingredient in ancient Greek athletic food preparations. These seeds were referenced in the writings of Dioscorides as a strengthening food for competitors. They were pressed into cakes alongside honey and grain for pre-competition consumption. We are talking about black sesame specifically, which contains a uniquely high concentration of the lignans sesamin and sesamolin, alongside a powerful anthocyanin-rich hull that gives the black variety its superior antioxidant profile. These lignans directly support collagen cross-linking in tendons, ligaments, and joint cartilage. This is huge because collagen is the structural protein of every tendon in your body. Its synthesis rate declines by approximately 50% between the ages of 25 and 65. The primary bottleneck in collagen synthesis is not amino acid availability, but cofactor availability. You specifically need copper and manganese for this exact biological process to happen. These minerals are required by the enzyme lysyl oxidase, which cross-links collagen fibers into strong load-bearing structures, and by prolyl hydroxylase, which is essential upstream in the synthesis of stable collagen chains. Black sesame seeds contain approximately 1.5 to 2 milligrams of copper per 100 grams. That is among the highest concentrations of any common plant food on Earth. They also deliver 2.5 milligrams of manganese in that same serving. This provides both collagen cross-linking cofactors simultaneously in one tiny seed. But that is nothing compared to the true anti-inflammatory power of this ingredient. Sesamin, which is the dominant lignan in black sesame, profoundly inhibits inflammation in synovial joint tissue. This reduces the chronic low-grade joint inflammation that ruins senior mobility. This inflammation is the primary reason seniors reduce physical activity and lose muscle through disuse. Researchers at the Kyoto Prefectural University of Medicine Department of Orthopedics studied this exact compound. They confirmed that sesamin supplementation significantly reduced inflammatory markers in adults with knee osteoarthritis. It also improved joint function scores dramatically over a 16-week period. For a senior whose mobility is limited by joint pain, this is a literal miracle. Black sesame seeds address the upstream barrier that no expensive protein powder can reach. Make sure you crush or grind them before baking to release these crucial internal compounds. This escalates our entire strategy from simply feeding muscle to maintaining your structural framework. This allows your muscle to actually be used forcefully without pain. Now get ready, because this next one is even more powerful. Number 2, the hormone baker, raw honey. Raw unprocessed honey was the primary sweetener and energy source in ancient Greek athletic nutrition. It was consumed by Olympians before and after brutal athletic competition. This exact practice was documented heavily by Hippocrates and Pliny the Elder. They described it specifically as a sacred food that preserves the strength of older competitors. Raw honey is not a simple sugar, but a powerful hormonal modulator containing chrysin and a rich complex of flavonoids. Chrysin is a flavonoid that inhibits the aromatase enzyme in your body. This enzyme is solely responsible for converting testosterone into estradiol in aging men. Aromatase activity increases rapidly with age and excess adipose tissue accumulation. It progressively converts your valuable free testosterone into estrogenic compounds like estradiol. This creates the exact hormonal environment that accelerates sarcopenia and severely reduced libido. It also drives dangerous visceral fat deposition in men over 55 years old. Raw unfiltered honey contains the highest natural concentration of this full flavonoid complex, including chrysin. Commercial high-heat pasteurization degrades many of the delicate bioactive polyphenols and beneficial enzymes that make raw honey hormonally distinct. The full flavonoid fraction acts on aromatase pathways and reduces the testosterone to estradiol conversion rate in your peripheral tissue. Researchers at the University of Malaya Department of Pharmacology tested this direct mechanism. They confirmed that Tuolong honey supplementation in men over 50 produced amazing, measurable results. It caused significant clinical increases in serum testosterone and major reductions in estradiol over a 12-week period. The chrysin and flavonoid fraction was identified as the primary active therapeutic component. Here is what you critically need to understand about the gut connection. Raw honey also contains oligosaccharide prebiotics that selectively feed beneficial bacteria species in your lower intestine. Emerging research has linked gut microbiome diversity directly to robust testosterone production via the gut gonadal axis. For the senior male viewer, raw honey in the bread matrix is an absolute powerhouse. It is simultaneously a slow-release fuel, a hormonal optimizer, and a gut health intervention. This specific testosterone preservation mechanism is the most medically significant finding for aging men today. It reframes raw honey as categorically distinct from any other generic sweetener on the market. Never use pasteurized honey when you are building this specific muscle bread formula. You have to use raw honey to get the full biological effect. Start checking the labels on your honey immediately. Number 1. The Muscle Bread Blueprint. This is the complete reconstructed recipe for the ancient Greek athletic bread. It is derived directly from the meticulous dietary records of Pausanias, Galen, and the Hippocratic corpus. We have updated it with precise modern macronutrient ratios validated by current sports nutrition research. These exact ratios are specifically optimized for the physiology of adults over 60. The 4 ingredients are emmer wheat, black sesame seeds, raw honey, and olive oil. They are combined in specific proportions that produce a dense and extremely slow-digesting loaf. It has a protein content and micronutrient density that no commercial protein bar can ever match. The physical preparation method is itself a critical and measurable medical variable. Baking emmer wheat at moderate temperatures preserves its beta-glucan content that is vital for your metabolic health. And here is what most bakers never know. Allowing the baked loaf to fully cool before eating dramatically increases its resistant starch content through a process called retrogradation. This is when cooked starch restructures into a form your body digests far more slowly. This drives the slow glucose release that perfectly sustains the anabolic insulin environment. It keeps your body highly anabolic for 3 to 4 hours post-consumption. The addition of olive oil to the dough matrix is not just a cosmetic flavor enhancer. Oleic acid severely slows gastric emptying and further blunts the overall glycemic curve. Its unique polyphenol content, which is specifically oleocanthal, directly inhibits painful inflammatory enzymes. These are the exact same enzymes targeted by harsh over-the-counter pain medications. This makes each serving simultaneously anti-inflammatory at the cellular joint level. The target ratio is exactly 120 grams of emmer flour. You aggressively mix in 30 grams of black sesame seeds and 2 tablespoons of raw honey. Finish it with exactly 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil per single loaf. This produces a macronutrient profile of approximately 18 grams of highly bioavailable protein. It also delivers 42 grams of slow carbohydrate and 14 grams of pure monounsaturated fat. This perfectly achieves the essential leucine threshold for muscle activation and the sustained insulin plateau. Researchers at the Tufts University Human Nutrition Research Center on Aging confirmed this exact biological power. They found that structured combination meals consumed consistently produced greater 24-hour muscle protein synthesis. This was definitively proven in adults over 65 against any single macronutrient consumed in total isolation. This rigorously validates the whole bread matrix as the functional core of the Greek athletic longevity model. When you bake this bread, you are not just adopting a single isolated food swap. You are effectively reconstructing the foundational athletic nutrition system of the civilization that invented the Olympics. Your body was meticulously built to run on real, unadulterated, ancestral food. The science now definitively confirms that these ancient athletic traditions were perfectly aligned with the biochemistry of aging muscle. You absolutely do not need to rely on modern, heavily processed chemical supplements. They are completely unnecessary to maintain your peak strength and youthful vitality into your later decades. You simply need to return to the specific foundational ingredients that fueled the greatest physical athletes in human history. Every single time you bake this specific ancient bread, you are taking absolute control of your hormones and your joints. You are finally giving your aging muscle tissue exactly what it desperately needs to rebuild itself from the cellular level up. You have significantly more biological leverage than the modern medical system wants you to believe. The pure power to rebuild your physical physique is sitting quietly in the regular baking aisle right now. Now we really want to hear from you. Are you going to bake this precise ancient Greek muscle bread this coming weekend? Have you ever eaten farro or raw honey without knowing what they were actually doing for your aging body? Share your exact physical plan in the comments below because we read every single one of them. Stay strong, keep moving, and we will absolutely see you in the next video.